Welcome to this video on sales management in X2X RMH Acumatica, a powerful solution that connects your point of sale, POS, operations seamlessly with your ERP system. Let's dive into how it simplifies and streamlines your sales process. X2X RMH Acumatica Solution is designed to integrate your retail management hero, RMH, POS with Acumatica Cloud ERP. It provides real-time data synchronization, ensuring your sales transactions, inventory, and customer information are always up to date. This integration eliminates manual processes, reduces errors, and enhances the overall efficiency of sales management. With X2X RMH, every sales transaction processed in your POS system is automatically synchronized to Acumatica in real time. This means no more delays or inconsistencies between your sales and accounting data. When a sale happens, inventory levels are updated across all systems, giving you an accurate, centralized view of stock availability. This ensures better stock control and prevents overselling. Gain powerful insights into your sales performance and customer behavior. X2X RMH provides detailed reports and analytics directly within Acumatica, helping you make data-driven decisions. Simplify your order management process. Sales orders entered in the POS are seamlessly reflected in Acumatica, reducing manual data entry and speeding up your workflows. Support multiple payment methods with full visibility into financial transactions. Payments made at the POS are accurately recorded in Acumatica's financials, ensuring transparency and control. With X2X RMH Acumatica, businesses experience improved accuracy in sales and inventory tracking, faster order fulfillment, and enhanced customer satisfaction through real-time data access. This solution is perfect for retailers looking to bridge the gap between their front-end POS and back-end ERP systems. Ready to take your retail operations to the next level? Contact us today for a personalized demo. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on how X2X integration solutions can transform your business.